Have you ever wondered how New York, the city of towering skyscrapers, began its architectural journey? Picture a time when the city was but a fledgling settlement, its skyline far from the steel and glass behemoth we know today. The 17th century saw the rise of Dutch colonial buildings, their distinctive steep gabled roofs and wooden shutters a stark contrast to the future skyline. These structures, while humble, laid the groundwork for the city's architectural identity. As the 18th century rolled in, so did the federal-style architecture. Row houses with their brick facades and ornamented entrances began to dot the cityscape. This architectural style, inspired by Roman classicism, introduced a sense of grandeur and formality to the city. These early designs were more than mere buildings. They were the foundational stones of a metropolis in the making. The seeds of architectural greatness were sown early, setting the stage for unprecedented growth and evolution. As New York's population exploded in the 19th century, so did its skyline. This era was marked by the birth of the skyscrapers, a testament to human ingenuity and ambition. The late 19th and early 20th centuries saw the rise of iconic structures that forever changed the city's silhouette. Among these architectural marvels was the Flatiron Building, its unique triangular shape, an unforgettable fixture in Manhattan. Meanwhile, the Woolworth Building, once the tallest in the world, stood as a beacon of the city's soaring aspirations. The advent of these skyscrapers was made possible by leaps in technology. Steel frame construction, a revolutionary technique, allowed buildings to rise higher than ever before. And as buildings grew taller, the invention of elevators made ascending these towering structures a breeze. These soaring skyscrapers, reaching up towards the sky, became symbols of New York's bold spirit. They stood as concrete proof of the city's relentless pursuit of progress and growth. These towering structures, reaching for the sky, symbolized New York's ambitious spirit and unstoppable growth. The 20th century ushered in an era of modernism, forever changing the face of New York. As the city basked in the glow of progress, architects began to experiment with new forms and materials, pushing the boundaries of design. Among the first fruits of this modernist wave was the United Nations headquarters, a symbol of international diplomacy and unity, with its sleek glass facade reflecting the city's optimism. Soon after, the Seagram Building emerged, challenging the architectural norms of the time. Its bronze exterior and minimalist design became a beacon of modernism, solidifying New York as a playground for architectural innovation. As the century wore on, modernism gave way to postmodern and deconstructivist trends. Buildings began to defy traditional structures, showcasing an exciting blend of form and function. The Guggenheim Museum, with its spiraling curves and organic form, became an iconic embodiment of this shift. In the early 21st century, New York's skyline was once again reimagined with the completion of One World Trade Center. Rising from the ashes of tragedy, the tower stands as a testament to New York's resilience and unwavering spirit. These architectural marvels, each a testament to the time of their creation, have helped shape New York's unique identity. They stand not just as buildings, but as symbols of the city's constant evolution. New York's architecture continues to evolve, reflecting the city's dynamic spirit and its constant strive for innovation. From its humble beginnings to its soaring skyscrapers, New York's architecture tells a fascinating tale. The city's architectural journey is a mirror reflecting its evolving culture, history, and aspirations. The early Dutch and English colonial homes were the seeds sown in this rich architectural soil, giving way to the grandeur of the Beaux-Arts and Art Deco styles that painted the city's skyline in the early 20th century. As the city grew, so did its buildings. The birth of the skyscraper era was a testament to New York's relentless ambition and innovative spirit. The Chrysler Building and the Empire State Building, these iconic landmarks, rose like shimmering stalagmites, embodying the city's strength, resilience, and grandeur. But New York's architectural story didn't stop there. It continued to evolve with the city's changing dynamics. The introduction of modernism and postmodernism brought a breath of fresh air, with buildings like the Seagram Building and the Guggenheim Museum challenging conventional architectural norms. Today, New York continues to weave its architectural tapestry with sustainability and green design at the forefront. Buildings are no longer just structures. They are becoming living, breathing entities that interact with their environment. The High Line, an elevated park built on a former railway line, is a prime example of this new architectural ethos. In the end, New York's architecture is much more than just buildings. It's a living testament to the city's unyielding spirit and its ceaseless drive towards the future.